Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me and Chalk Couture, and I'm going to show you today how to change out your boards. Now this is one of those little boards that we did at Christmas, and I'll link that video down below, but it just slides in there like that, and then it sits up wherever. So I'm ready to take this off and use this board again. All I'm going to use is just some wipes. But you could probably you can use water, you can use whatever, but you just need to get it good and wet. Now the red normally stains, so this may not work. It may not all come off. I don't know. We're going to see. But it looks like it's coming off pretty good, because red is a color that sometimes it stains different things. So alright, I'm going to throw that in there, and then I'm going to wet this paper towel a little bit in my water. I have a water stash right over here. And then I'm just going to wipe that good. Oh wow, that cleaned really, really well. So you see, it's all cleaned off. Now, I think you can see, if I do it like that, you can see some ghosting in the background. But I don't think you would be able to see that once we put something else on here. It's just if I turn it at a certain angle, you can barely see it. But I'm going to, since this side's a little bit wet with water, I'm going to flip it over on this side, and we're going to work with that side. So let me throw those away, get out some fresh paper, fresh wipes. And okay, now this is the transfer that we got. This is our February transfer or January. I'm not sure. Anyway, this one is the transfer that says you are enough, and this comes in that bundle that I was talking to you guys about a little while ago. So this is a bundle that we can't purchase. This is only for you guys, only for our customers. Now, my printer, don't think anything about this. This is the transfer right here. My printer is out of a certain kind of ink, so it's not printing very well. But you can see the size of this transfer. So you get a transfer squeegee, you get white chalk paste, and then there is, let me see what colors they are. Okay, the board is 10-inch hexagon, chalk transfer, which is this. You Are Enough. It's a B-size transfer. The Chalkology paste single, which is a bright white. Chartreuse, mint condition, and then the turquoise. Now we can't get these three colors. These are exclusive to you guys. We can get the white, but that's all. And then you also get a small squeegee. This bundle is on sale right now for $34.95 to you guys while supplies last. Now you can see all that I got is the transfer. I can't get this hexagon board. I wish I could. If I have 10 of you guys who purchase this, then I can get one. So that is what you would get in your kit. If this is something that you want to try Chalk Couture, if you've been thinking, oh, I'd like to try it, but I don't want to spend the money on a starter kit, then this is the way to go, because for $34.95 you get all of this. You can use this transfer over and over and over again. This is like this, so you can wash that off, put something else on there. These have more in them than what you would need, so you can seal those back up and use them again. And then the squeegee is usable over and over again. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to put this You Are Enough on here. Since I don't have one of those hexagon boards, I'm going to try to put it on there. I don't know, it may be too big. We'll see. So you want to pull these out, and then you can see where these white lines are. That's where you can trim them apart, because this is actually 4 different transfers. So let's grab our scissors, and I'm going to trim right down that line, as close as I can get anyway. And I love these little flowers on this. So we'll trim this off. All right, we'll lay those aside, and I think, ooh, it is going to go on there. I do believe, yes. Okay, what we're going to do is put it a little bit closer to the top than the bottom, because this is going to slide down in this board to sit up. And I may have enough room right here and right here to come back in and put one of these little flowers in there. We'll see when I get it down. We'll see what we can do. So the very first thing that you want to do is peel this off of the backing, like that. Now this is very, very sticky. So what we want to do is, I just stick it to my shirt. I'm going to pull my shirt in there and let you see. See? I just stick it to the front of my shirt while I get everything else ready to go. So I have my white paste, and I'm just going to stir it up a little bit because it has been sitting a little while. And if your paste looks a little bit thick, then just add a little bit of water to it. I think mine will be okay, I do believe. I'll lay that there. All right. Pull this off of my shirt. And we'll try to lay this down as straight as we can. So I'm going to use the top of the board to line that up with. Press it down, and it looks like I've got about the same amount of room on both sides. Now I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to press that down well, all around the letters. Just going to make sure everything's pressed down well. And then we'll start chalking. So I'm going to do all my letters in white. And you want to put kind of a thick coat on to begin with, because you don't want this to dry too quickly. And this white is a little bit thicker than when you first get it. I've had this one for a while. As you can see, I've used it over and over, but I've had it for a while. Because you can always take the excess off and put it back in here. And then what you want to do is just go over that with your squeegee. And just make sure that you don't have any lines in there. So just take that excess off and put it right back in the jar. Okay, we're going to lift this up. And then I'm going to put it face down in my water. Ooh, I like that. That's good. Look at that. That's pretty. Alright, let's put this over in the water and close this white up. Now I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to see if I can put some flowers right in there. We'll see if we can do that. So I'm going to let this dry first so that I won't pull anything up. Okay, I think this is dry enough that we can start. I'm going to use my teal, and we can get that one. I've got teal. And then I'm going to use these little flowers on this side because they kind of curve that way. So I'm going to try to... I'm not going to be able to get everything in there, and that's fine. It'll just give the illusion that there's more off the side. When I have another chalk down there like that, and I don't really want to stick this to it, if I'm not sure it's completely dry or whatever, I just take one of these little sticks, and this is just a little stir stick, and I lay it under there just so that that doesn't stick down to that. So you can just lay something under there to make sure that it doesn't stick down. Because if it's dry, I don't think it would pull it up, but I just don't want to take the chance, so I just stick that under there. And I'm going to do this in the teal. And I would pull this up and just put it directly on the other side, but it's going to go off. Well, I guess it would be all right. Let's just do it. Let's put it over here like this. And again, I'm going to lay this stick under there. And then we're going to put some of that on that side. There we go. And then just lift that up. Ooh, I like that. Put that face down in my water. That is cute. And then any that you got on the side that you don't want, you can just rub that off while it's still wet. So I think that is cute. That will do until maybe one day I can get one of those hexagon boards. So that is it. It is ready to go in here. And then I can put this in my kitchen or my bedroom or wherever. But that's it. And it sits up like that. Or you could do one the other direction and let it sit up the long way, either way that you want to. I think that is super cute. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I can't talk today. Hit that subscribe button and then click that little bell when that bell pops up so that you'll be notified when we put up new videos. Also, if you want to join our team with Chalk Couture, you can find that link below. If you want to just make a purchase of this bundle, you can find that link below as well. And we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching.